It's Joseph here from Eightcap. Welcome to today's update. So we're just going to continue on with the dollar trend from yesterday. We did the dollar yen yesterday. Today we're looking at the USD Index. Now, primarily, really, it's a little bit of a cliche one with the FOMC coming up tomorrow morning, and so there's a little bit to talk about. Obviously, the key one will be: do they hold rates? Will we see any surprises? Or will we see, 5.5% as expected? And then I think with the projections and with the statement, I think traders will be really trying to gauge if rates have we seen peak rates? I think the surprising factor is last week's CPI data, then followed by the PPI and the retail sales. So I do wonder if that's had any type of influence on the Fed. So looking at the dollar index at the moment, we can see prices back in a little bit of a squeeze. So if we just can see this area here of key resistance. Price has sort of come close to testing it, has retreated from that area, but we have seen, if we just zoom in, a fair bit of demand down to this area here. We still have the moving average trending up quite nicely. We have a higher high here, but we do have a series of lower highs on the RSI. So there is some divergence there. Divergence in strong trends should be treated with a bit of caution. You can be caught out by that. It's definitely seen, and used as as an indicator. Really, it shouldn't be used as gospel or anything hard set. It's this there to sort of advise you, price may be running out of steam. So, but primarily we have to really try and dissect this, and we have to try and work out, is there any real warning signs coming up here? And the real one I can see is this level of resistance here. If buyers can get back up and test that, we can also see a lot of demand below 98.83. We can see that running down to this low here. So there's a good failed low yesterday. Price did close higher. So it still is maintaining this trend, and we still have higher highs and higher lows. So in terms of pattern of trend, it's still looking, it's still doing what you'd think it should be doing. I think the key will be coming down to what's really comes out in the statement, and if the Fed is going to leave that door open for more rate rises, or if we're going to see more of a dovish tone in comments, and will we then see maybe some potential selling? I think so. If we do see some selling, we'd like to see a break of this point here, maybe come back down and test this support down at this area. And if it was, some big surprises on the dovish side, maybe we could even see a break at that level. If we do see, things continue on the hawkish side, and we do see buyers get back into it, let's see if we can break this high that was set last week, and if we can then get back into this resistance area and break out of this, this longer term resistance and that range there. So I think it will come down to how traders see that, and if they are going to continue to see more of a hawkish tone, and then will that continue to hold up by momentum, or will we see some more rhetoric sort of signaling that rates may continue to pause, and then could that lead to some selling? So it will be interesting to see how that goes, and we'll be keeping an eye on it as when that data comes out. So that's really it for today's update. Another one quickly was oil. We did see a really big failed high yesterday, so definitely have a look at that one. There's more selling today, so oil could be due for a bit of a short-term pullback, but we will watch oil and see if that trend does pick up again, and we will do an update on that if we do see some more buying come back into the market, because oil is definitely a one I'm watching at the moment, just to how high it's going and how that is also influences CPI and prices. So that's it for today. Enjoy the rest of your day. Good trading to you, and definitely manage your risk around any big news like the FOMC, as it can create some volatility at times. So all the best, and bye for now.